Ladies and gentlemen, friends, colleagues and listeners, here we are again, what would have been our regular Saturday show. However, it's the bank holiday weekend, and also my partner in crime, Mr. Dickson, he's had a tough old week and he needs his sleep because he's been up every morning, he's been working through the night, and bless him, he's a lot younger than me and he needs to look after himself and keep those youthful looks as fresh as a daisy. So Stephen's having a little bit of an energizing recuperation. However, we'll be back normal podcast on Tuesday, and for Mr. Wyatt, who's ready to do his run, James, this won't even give you a warm-up, my friend, but we'll be back again next Saturday. There'll be more to talk about, and I'm sure Steve will be up for it and he'll be ready and raring to go. So to everybody out there, have a lovely weekend, and for those in the UK, enjoy the bank holiday weekend, and try and do things that you haven't been able to do before for a while, and enjoy every minute of it. Take care, everybody. All the best to everyone. Bye. And thank you very much for listening.